Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Pitek Fine Dining Restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
Yes,
Okay, ma'am. May I have your name, please?
usually po Lumida.
Okay, ma'am. Wait a minute while I'm checking the ability. Sit down, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, your table reservation is for one people.
Okay, ma'am. May I assist you for your table? Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like me to put table napkin for you?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's our menu. I will be back in a minute to take your order. Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order now?
Yes, please. For appetizer, French fries. For soup, mushroom soup. For salad, garden salad. For main course, spaghetti, mini spaghetti.
Would you like to try our bestseller, creamy spaghetti with multi mushroom?
Yes, please. And for my dessert, chocolate mousse.
Ma'am, for your dessert, would you like to try our bestseller, ube cheesecake?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, would you like to add nori wine?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, may I repeat your order? For appetizer, French fries. For your soup, mushroom creamy soup. For your salad, salad garden. For your main course, is creamy spaghetti with mountain mushroom. For your dessert, oat cake. And your beverage is noli wine. Correct, ma'am?
Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve your fresh water?
Yes, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve your complimentary bread? Cheesy roll bread. Ma'am, what do you like? What do you like? One or two?
Just one, please.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve your appetizer? Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your soup, your mushroom, or soup. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your drink, iced tea. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your roasted chicken. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your dessert. Ube cheese roll.